Hello friends, in this video, we will discuss how to add products from Alibaba to Shopify. Let's get into it. Here I am on the Shopify dashboard. What you have to do is simply click on Add Apps from here. This pop-up will appear. Scroll it down and click on the Shopify App Store. Here is the Shopify App Store, and from this search bar, search for Alibaba. It will open after a while, and then click on this Install button. It will take some time to add Alibaba to your Shopify store. Now click over to install the app from the corner. Here, just sign in with your account. I am going with a Google account. From here, just select any product that you want. I am going to choose this one. From here, you can edit the product information. I am just editing the collections right now on the homepage. You can make the changes that you want, and then click on the Push Product to the Store button from here. After a while, it will open properly. Here it is, done. Let's go back to Shopify to make sure that the product is added or not. Go to Products from here. And yeah, it is done here. So that is all about how you can add products from Alibaba to Shopify. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.